Great ideas, amazing music, charismatic voice. Still sound like a beginner? Here's the real reason why listeners might be tuning out, and how to fix it fast. Welcome to the art of broadcasting. In this episode, we are going back to basics, but not the kind you can afford to skip. We are talking about your audio chain, the complete path from mic to listener, and why getting this right is the real difference between sounding amateur or pro. Spoiler, it's not about gear, it's about choices. Let's break down the audio chain, step by step. It all starts with microphone. Even affordable mics can sound professional if you choose one with the right pickup pattern and use a pop filter and shock mount. What matters is capturing a clean, dry voice. No echoes, no noise. Then we get to your music and sound effects. This is where a lot of people sleep, using low-quality MP3s or files downloaded from shady sources. Here's the truth. Even if the file says 320 kilobits per second, it might be a re-encoded mess. Use original WAV files or MP3s from trusted sources. And if you want to double-check the audio quality, use a free tool called Spek to see the real frequency range of your file. Once your content is solid, let's talk formats. For streaming, MP3 at 128 to 192 kilobits per second, stereo and 44.1 kHz is standard. AAC gives better quality at lower bit rates, great for mobile listeners. And now the final and most overlooked piece, compression. This is where your entire broadcast comes together. Adding a compressor at the end of your signal chain helps even out volume levels, boost presence, and make sure your audience isn't constantly adjusting the volume. It's like having a real-time sound engineer polishing your output. We cover both pro-grade compressors like Breakaway One, Optimode, and Stereo Tool, and grid-free tools like Kotelnikov, M-Compressor, and MJUC Junior, all of which can run on basic systems. Ready to level up your sound without spending big? Hit the link below and read the full guide by Iván Tenorio. It's packed with tools, diagrams, and no fluff advice to get your station sounding like a real broadcast, even on a budget. Oh, and before you go, we just released Pro Radio Theme version 7.6. This update brings a huge speed boost for Elementor pages, fixes for widget pagination and filters, support for RadioBoss song history in the Sidekick plugin, and a bunch of new design improvements. Go check it out, it's live now. Thank you for watching, see you next week on The Art of Broadcasting, only on pro.radio.